Why are you paying this much for soup? I made all of this for the price of one takeout bowl. I've been making this loaded potato soup on repeat all week. The whole pot cost me $12.50, which cost me about $2.50 per huge bowl. Compare that to $9 at a restaurant. You save over $7 every time you eat this. And it's made in only one pot. Now let me show you how I make it. Most people add salt at the end, but that gives you bland potatoes and salty broth. Seasoning here is the secret. This is the texture you're going for. Creamy from the blended half, but you still have those potato chunks. If you have an immersion blender, you can just pulse it right in the pot until it gets the same texture. Now let's talk numbers. The toppings cost about $3 total. If you skip them, the base soup drops to under $2 per bowl. It proves you don't need to spend a lot of money to eat good food. All right, taste test time. This is so good. And it's actually thicker than the restaurant version because we use real potatoes instead of weird thickeners. The sour cream makes it rich, and those smoky bits, definitely essential. At $2.50, this is exactly what I need this winter. Real quick, if you're getting value out of this, hit that like button. Comment red if you're making it loaded, blue if you're skipping the toppings to save more money. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now. If you're loving these budget-friendly meals, you'll definitely want to check out my brand new Plant Some Pennies meal plan. It's packed with affordable, delicious recipes just like these, all for under $5 total. I break down the cost, give you meal prep tips, and even show you how to turn leftovers into brand new meals so nothing goes to waste. You can grab it right now through the link below and start saving money while eating plant-based.